Okay, it's February in Manitoba. See, so we obviously can't ride. I'm about to change my compensator sprocket on my 1986 wide glide. And it's going to be interesting. I want to change the clutch plates as well. So I'll take you along on that little journey with me. Stay tuned. And this is my little shop where I spend most of my time in the winter. Keep my bikes in here. One rule we have in the man cave is there's no room for pussies or dog fuckers. And this is my sign on the fridge. So here I have it up on my stand. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect my battery so I don't chew my finger off in the primary while I'm taking things apart. Alright, I've removed the battery completely now just so there's no chance of a turnover while I got my fingers in there. First I make a mess right away. Don't ask me what size Allen wrench this is. There we go. Okay, that's pretty nice and clean actually. I'm happy with that. Don't want to lay that right on the cement though. That gasket is even in nice shape, really. It's in really nice shape, but I will replace it anyway. Okay, so there's my compensator sprocket, and it's 24 teeth. Be bumping that up to 25. That nut assembly has to come off, and when they wear out, this bolt bottoms out before it gets tight on here, so they have to install this washer to make up for that, and it's already been done on this one, but it appears to be still very nice and tight. So that's the part I'm changing, and I'm actually kind of excited to see how it's going to work, being a different size sprocket to change my gear ratio a little bit. We're going to have to take this whole assembly out, the tensioner, compensator, and the whole clutch basket has to come out. This clutch is slipping, so I'm curious to see what setting it is on. I have to measure this spring to see how flat it is, but we got to take it all out anyway. So first things first. Now I want to hold this center pin, an Allen key. Break this loose. Okay, that's broke loose. Now I believe I can take this entire deal out. Alright, has come out, the concave side goes in first. Keep that in mind. There's little cups in there. Future reference.
wheels.
I don't see any bluing or overheating or really any scarring on the steel plates. I do see some pitting on the clutch plates, but I think the pitting is kind of normal. There's still a fair amount of padding on the clutch, but I'm going to replace them. And I'm just currently looking for my pulley puller, which I've had for 1,000 years. But now the day that I need it, you know how that goes.